Porsche's new design chief. A shift in gears for the iconic brand Porsche has appointed Tobias Suhlmann as its new head of design, replacing Michael Maurer after over 2 decades of leadership. This move not only signals a generational change within the automaker, but also leaves McLaren seeking a replacement for their former chief design officer. Suhlmann's extensive experience at high-performance marques like Volkswagen, Bugatti, Aston Martin, and Bentley positions him well for the role, though he inherits a brand facing evolving market pressures. Navigating a delicate balance, Porsche's design language is deeply intertwined with its brand identity. The 911, in particular, demands evolution rather than radical reinvention. Suhlmann must balance preserving this iconic DNA with the need for fresh, contemporary designs to attract buyers in a crowded luxury market. The challenge isn't just aesthetic. It's about maintaining desirability amid growing EV fatigue and shifting consumer preferences. Global sales have slipped 10%, and the once reliable Chinese market has slowed. Even the Taycan, Porsche's flagship EV, is seeing declining demand despite recent updates. This context is critical. The new design chief isn't just styling cars, they're steering a legacy brand through turbulent waters. A familiar alliance at the top, the appointment of Suhlmann was facilitated by Porsche CEO Michael Laters, who previously worked alongside him at McLaren. This pre-existing relationship ensures alignment between the design studio and executive leadership. Such internal synergy is crucial for rapid decision-making on both product strategy and bold design choices. Laters himself praised Maurer's era-defining work, highlighting his successful modernization of the 911 and the seamless integration of Porsche's design DNA into new models like the Taycan. Suhlmann is only the 5th design boss in Porsche's history, following a true legend. The future of Porsche design, the question remains whether this leadership change represents merely a personnel shift or a deeper strategic realignment. Should Porsche remain conservative, or will this be an opportunity for more daring experimentation? The company itself frames this as a generational change, but it's unclear if that extends beyond the appointment itself. The next chapter of Porsche design hinges on whether it will play it safe or take a calculated risk. Ultimately, the success of Suhlmann's tenure will depend on his ability to honor Porsche's heritage, while simultaneously forging a path toward an uncertain future. The automotive landscape is shifting, and design leadership will be paramount in navigating the change.